Judge grants order allowing high schooler to wear Trump border wall t-shirt. Now, federal judge Michael Mosman granted a temporary restraining order that allows Addison Barnes to wear his border wall construction company shirt to school. A senior at the ironically named Liberty High School, Barnes is now suing the school after he was suspended for wearing the shirt earlier this year. Now, KATU News reports this. A U.S. District Court judge granted a temporary restraining order Tuesday, allowing a Hillsborough student to wear his pro-border wall t-shirt to school, for now at least. Now, Addison Barnes filed a lawsuit earlier this month claiming officials at Liberty High School infringed on his constitutional rights by asking him to either leave class or cover up his t-shirt, which read, "Donald J. Trump, Border Wall Construction Company. The wall just got 10 feet taller." Now, Barnes wore the t-shirt earlier this year in a People and Politics class at Liberty High School in Hillsborough. He was taken out of his classroom by the school's assistant principal, who told him his shirt offended at least one student and the teacher. The boy was given a choice, either cover up the shirt or leave school. He briefly covered the shirt and went back to class, but then, believing his First Amendment rights were being violated, uncovered the shirt. Then, the school's assistant principal then sent him to the school's assistant principal then sent a security guard to remove Barnes from class. His absence was counted as a suspension. The school's error is so egregious that even the ACLU is siding with the student, issuing this statement to KGW News. The school clearly crossed the line when it required a student to remove a t-shirt that voiced support for Donald Trump's border wall or face a suspension. The shirt is mean-spirited, but it isn't a disturbance under the First Amendment case law. It is disappointing that Liberty High School decided to censor the student instead of inviting the student body to discuss immigration, the freedom of speech, and the impacts and its impacts. Now, schools have a responsibility to teach our youth how to engage in thoughtful conversations about difficult and potentially offensive subject matters. Censorship doesn't work and often just elevates the subject the government is trying to silence. Now, the initial complaint that was filed by Barnes via his attorneys can be seen by clicking the link in the top of the description below. Amanda Ryan Feard, a Liberty High School assistant principal who ordered the school security monitor to escort Barnes out of class, submitted her declaration as well to the courts regarding the matter. Now, in the declaration, she admits that other students have skipped classes to attend protests, stating that in May of 2016, Liberty High School students participated in a walkout and sit-in at the high school in support of the statewide walkouts caused by the Build a Wall sign displayed by students at Forest Grove High School. Now, in February of 2017, approximately 200 Liberty High School students participated in a sit-in protesting the federal stance on immigration and their fears and concerns about the impact that it will have on themselves, their family members, and their friends. She mentions no punishments for those students, however, who blatantly violated school policies and possibly truancy law. It is possible that Amanda Ryan Fear, Principal Greg Timmons, and the school security monitor all committed the crime of coercion. Now, the statute ORS 163.275 states that a person commits the crime of coercion if the person compels or induces another person to engage in conduct from which the other person has a legal right to abstain, or to abstain from engaging in conduct in which the other person has a legal right to engage. By means of installing fear in the other person, coercion is a Class C felony in Oregon. Alright, so if you'd like to support the channel, do so by clicking the links in the description below. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. And be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below as well. And tell me how you feel about this report. Let's make America great again. I appreciate every single one of you. Peace.